Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use mouse operation and material selection in Ansys workbench. So let's see what are the mouse operation and material selection and how to easily use in Ansys workbench command, Ansys workbench software. We want to create new sketch interface. At first open Ansys workbench software. Now we will see a new create a sketch. Okay, at first select a at first open a Ansys workbench software. Okay, this is open Ansys workbench software, and this all this all point 5 point is discussed here. First point is analysis systems, second point is component system, third point custom system, and fourth point is design exploration, and fifth point is SCT. Today first point is discussed here. All point is pop-up, and there are many type of commands, and this is a very important all commands you can see here. This is a static structural at first open. Okay, this is a 7 important point is pop up. Okay, and all 7 point is very important. First is a static structural, and second is engineering data. Then double click here engineering data, then all point is open, and but today discuss here mouse operation and material selection. Okay, at first discuss is material selection. Then okay, this engineering data source. Okay, 3 material already select here. You can see here air, structural steel is default material. This point is select here, is symbol here. Structural steel is already material select here, and water liquid. Then I think a new material is added here. Then what is process? Then I think a new material is select here. Then a general material is added this point here. Then select a general material, and all point you can see here, and I think a gray cast iron is added material. Then select this point and select this point is added here a gray cast iron, and this point is double click. Okay, this point is first point is default setting, material setting, a structural steel, and I am self added a gray cast iron, and this is showing a two material. First is default setting, and second is I am self setting here, and this is related to all properties you can see here. First is a structural steel is click, and then all property you can see here. Density, isotropic, secant coefficient of thermal expansion, isotropic elasticity, a strain life parameters, SN curve, tensile yield strength, compressive yield strength, and same like gray cast iron. Then all material is all property you can see here easily. Isotropic elasticity, tensile yield strength, compressive yield strength, tensile ultimate strength, and compressive ultimate strength. all density, all property is easily you can see here, and this is a material selection process. Okay, then remove here, and mouse click. Okay, any, okay, this is a design. Okay, at first geometry is okay. This red line, red point is starting a space claim, no any other touch. Okay, sometime let's, but process is continue. Starting here, spec a space claim, don't touch any other point. Okay, this geometry is open, then any geometry is a front plane. Okay, this is a sketch, and rectangle is draw. Okay, okay, some point is discussed here. Okay, okay, this point is a rectangle, draw. Okay, select. Okay, and okay, this is a pull, and material is okay, this point. Okay, and this point is geometry is draw here. Okay, and next point is a model. Okay, and this is a starting mechanical. Red point is see here, don't touch any other point. Process is continue. Sometime, some few minutes late, but process is continue starting. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a material is already select here, and you can see here this point is geometry and material you can see here. Okay, this point gray cast iron and a structural steel. Structural steel is default material setting, and I am setting a gray cast iron. Two material is select here, and geometry is already select here. Coordinate systems, and this point is mouse operation. This zoom in, zoom out, and this is a pen. Okay, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, guys, next lecture 3 is coming soon, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.